Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have posted fresh videos. So starting from this video, I will be sharing with you some videos of a superfood which is called soy or soybean, which is the powerhouse of health benefits. It has the highest source of protein, vitamins, potassium and various other minerals, which is not only good for your health but also for the skin and hair too. So making use of this wonderful benefits of the soya, I am going to share with you a recipe for hair mask. This is one ingredient protein or keratin treatment for the hair which benefits your hair like no other ingredient. So if you are suffering from hair fall, frizzy hair, oily hair or sticky hair, then this is the treatment which helps to overcome all the problems. So if you want to know, please continue watching. To make this simple hair mask, first of all you need to soak the soya seeds for 8 hours. You can soak it for overnight also, and this will soak up all the water, and you can see that it has enlarged and it is quite juicy. This is the best substitute for egg protein. If you don't use egg, then you can substitute with this soya protein. So the method is simply to grind this soya seeds into smooth paste, and this smooth paste is good enough for you to apply it on your hair. The consistency depends on how much you would want it to be on your hair. So if you like it little bit smoother, you can do it. So the soya protein is very good for your hair because the hair also contains protein which is made, that is the keratin protein, and this is the best keratin treatment you can give for your hair. So here as you can see, it is quite thick, so I'm going to dilute it with a little bit of oil because my hair also is dry, and adding oil will also help in the consistency. So if you have oily hair, then this consistency would do, but if you have dry hair, you can just add a little bit of any hair oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Here I have added olive oil 1 or 2 tablespoons. Using this hair mask regularly will give you good results. It will be effective in stimulating hair growth. It will strengthen hair roots. The vitamin E properties will improve blood circulation. It will repair the hair follicles and help in new hair growth. One important foundation of any healthy hair is well nourished scalp. Therefore, this will also nourish your scalp and keep it healthy. So as you can see, the consistency of my hair pack is good. So this is ready to be applied on your hair. First comb your hair thoroughly and apply this from the root to the tip and cover it with a shower cap, and you can leave it for 2 to 3 hours before you can wash it off with mild shampoo or any DIY shampoo. As you can see, there will be some residue left on the hair, but this will dry off or fall off after you have dried your hair naturally. You can see that the volume of your hair is increased, and if you set this hair, it will also give you that shine. So try this one ingredient and very beneficial hair pack and see how it works for you. And if you like such more DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like it, please share this video, and thanks for watching.